Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a DIY how to make washi gift tags. I guess that would be the right thing to call it. I kind of did a little bit of experimenting and I had these, I think they're called paint chips. You know how when you go to Walmart or the paint store and you're looking for paint and you get these little paint swatch cards? Well, I grabbed a few because I thought they would be really fun and colorful to make holiday gift tags with. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did that in today's video. So basically what I did was I took the gift tag and I covered it with washi tape. Now you know how a lot of us like to make those washi dashboards. Well, this is kind of basically the same thing. The only thing you're doing different is you are putting the washi tape on one of these little paint chip color swatch cards, and then you're cutting it into a gift tag shape. You're going to punch a hole, put a ribbon through it, and voila, you have a gift tag, a recycled product gift tag. And it's also a good way to use up your washi if you're like me and you have washi just overflowing. You can use up your washi in a fun, creative way. So I'm going to show you exactly how I made this. Now I'm not going to do the washi part because I think that part's pretty self-explanatory and it probably would take a long time. So basically what I did is first, obviously, go to Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, the paint store, any place that sells paint, and pick up some of these really fun, colorful paint swatch cards. Now they have every color, under the rainbow. So if there's a particular color that you want to use, feel free to kind of coordinate that, or just grab a bunch that look pretty. You're basically going to cover this side that has all the advertising stuff, and then the side that has the color is the side that you're going to use to actually write the name of the person on the tag. Okay, so let me show you what I've made here. So I have these 3 paint chip cards that I've covered with washi, and I just used the washi in my stash that I thought looked festive and that I thought would, kind of go together. So I have the red glitter here, I have the pink glitter, and then this is just some washi tape that I just haven't used that I thought looked kind of pretty. And what I did was let me find the, okay, so like you see on, and I hope this will focus, but you see how here on the card, it has the name of the color of the paint. So what I did is I took my paper trimmer and I just cut that off because I didn't want this to show. Now, depending on the size of the gift tag you make, you can probably just cut the words off, depending on how big you want your gift tag. So you just have this pretty, colors right here, which is what I did on, well, this one just has one color, but I cut off the name of the paint color. So you basically just have the color backing. Let me see. And then if you don't want to do that, like let's say you want, this to be on both sides and you don't want to use washi tape, you can do that too. I took 2 of the same color cards and I glued them together. And then you would just trim off with your paper trimmer, just trim off the color there. And I kind of had to do these flip-flop so the words are on the same edge of the card. I hope that makes sense. So once you get your card covered in washi and you cut off the part that you don't want, you're going to take your scissors, and there's really no science to this, but you're just going to cut it in a gift card shape, so just trim the corners. like that. So it's kind of a gift card shape. Then you're going to take your hole punch. And voila, you have a gift tag. Now I have some different colored ribbons here, that I picked up from a Dollar Tree. You know, so obviously whatever color you want. I think I want to do black for that red one. So I'm going to cut I'm going to do the what is it called? The angled cut, and then you just string your ribbon through here. Now this is a great craft to do with kids and also with seniors. My mom lives in a senior community, and a lot of the seniors like easy, simple crafts, and so this is something that I'm going to do with them. And you know, the supplies you need obviously are not that expensive. You know, you can just make several trips to the paint store and load up on these paint color swatch cards. Or if you don't even want to use these, you can just use scrapbook paper cut down. You can use index cards. You can use a cereal box. Anything, you know, whatever works. It's a great way to upcycle stuff. Okay, so excuse me, here is the card with the ribbon, and I think the black looks really pretty, and then you would just tie this onto your gift. Now this would look really cute too, like if you use gift bags for the holidays, and then just take a you know, a Sharpie, and you can write to whoever from Santa, and that would be really cute. Now you can also laminate these and, you know, hole punch them and put the ribbon on, and then you can sell them in a craft fair or keep them, you know, like if you don't want to throw them away, you can laminate them, and then people probably would keep them forever as like a keepsake or something like that. So let's go ahead and do another one. So again, you're just gonna I mean, these are so easy, and they go so quick once you get going. I think I'm going to use this Believe silver ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. And then, you know, once you start making them, it goes really, really quick. And the nice thing I like about this is that it's not too messy. You know, you don't have to get out a glue gun. You don't have to, you know, get paint or anything all over the place. It's just a simple, fun little craft that you can make really, you know, quickly in an afternoon for practically nothing. You know, depending on how much you want to spend on your ribbon, and if you're using, you know, expensive washi tape or something. And there you go. So I hope this was fun and interesting. If you're looking for a cute, you know, holiday craft to do, you can make some washi tape gift cards. I really like how this one came out. And, you know, like I said, you can even glue two of the cards together so you don't have to use washi tape, and then just cut off this edge here that has the words, or throw a sticker on it, or, you know, maybe put some washi tape there. Anything, you know, just be creative. And like I said, the color possibilities are endless because there's so many different options with these paint chip cards. So, okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos coming, more crafty videos and more Vlogmas videos. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.